Will initializing disk make data unrecoverable? I'm trying to access files from a friend's external hard disk which had stopped showing up in my computer on his XP machine. I removed the drive, 500 GB Seagate SATA drive, and installed it in my Windows 7 PC. The drive is detected by disk management but listed as not initialized. It pops up a initialize disk window asking if I want to initialize with either MBR or GPT partition styles. If I go ahead and let Windows initialize the disk, will this make the data unrecoverable? What is the safest way to proceed here?
No, don't initialize it because you'll wind up with a blank hard drive or an even more garbled one. You might have a drive with failed circuitry, or you might just have some corrupted data. I would suggest first trying to restore the drive's MBR, master boot record, using this or any other instruction sheet you can Google. This URL. You'll need the drive back in your friend's computer, and you'll need the XP CD. If that doesn't work, I think the next step is a data recovery service, though of course, that's expensive. Good luck.
Short answer, no, initialization shouldn't make the data unrecoverable, but probably won't make it any easier to recover either. As noted above, I didn't initialize the drive but used the free version of Partition Find and Mount, which let me mount the drive read-only. Copied the data over OK. Free version is speed limited, so this takes some time. I tried initializing the drive when I was done in FNM. Still let me mount the partition and copy data. So it seems that initialization doesn't make the data unrecoverable.
I was posed this question today, when I attached a SATA disk via a USB adapter. Unfortunately, Partition Find and Mount did not seem to like the USB interface. Windows 7 was much happier when I opened up the PC and attached the drive directly to the motherboard using a SATA cable. Both partitions on the drive had been assigned drive letters, and I was able to gain access to the data needed.
When you see the disk is initialized, make sure it is not a TrueCrypt encrypted volume on the disk. That may be why you can't see it. You have to mount it with the TrueCrypt Select Device option.
Another note, I've seen it before where the disk shows up as not initialized and prompts for initialization. I simply eject it and plug it in again and it works fine, showing up with regular drive letters.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.